Hello and welcome to my PE and Childcare Assignment 2, presentation on the importance of PE. One of the benefits of PE for children is an improved cognitive function. This means that their brain might work slightly quicker or they are more creative. There are a number of different ways that schools can help to improve a children's cognitive function. One of these is giving short breaks throughout the school day. This helps the children to achieve better grades and results through letting them recharge and have fun. Most primary and secondary schools give a short break around 11 o'clock for 20 minutes, and then a longer break around 1 o'clock for about an hour. Another ways for schools to improve a child's cognitive function is by allowing them to participate in moderate or vigorous activity throughout the day. This can help to improve memory and recall, observation skills, problem solving, and decision making. These are all important for the child to develop as a student and as an athlete. Physical literacy is a combination of a number of things, which include motivation, confidence, physical competency, knowledge, and understanding. Again, this is taught to children at a young age so that they develop in the correct way and they can become a good student and athlete in the future. Physical literacy is mainly developed in foundation and primary years through movement skills, which is done through PE lessons during school time. However, secondary schools use a range of exercises and sports in order to improve a child's physical literacy. One thing that a lot of schools do to help improve the amount of time that children can exercise is by running after school clubs. This usually consists of a few different clubs being ran after school, which focuses on doing different things. This includes different sports, extra help with lessons or homework, or other things. After school clubs give children a chance to get involved in 3 sessions of extra physical activities. It also gives children a chance to fulfill their potential and learn new skills through a positive environment. One of the last benefits of after-school clubs is that it allows the children to be more social and develop their emotional, physical, and intellectual capabilities through taking part in different experiences. An increase in physical activity means that the NHS will have slightly less pressure on them. This is because over 10,000 are admitted to hospital every year due to a primary diagnosis of obesity. If less people are sent to the hospital for obesity, then it means that there will be more staff available for other important illnesses or accidents in and around the hospital, and it also leaves more money for the NHS to use in other areas. Emotional instability is a problem that is occurring more often nowadays. It is proven that physical activity helps to improve emotional stability, which means that less people are likely to suffer from things like depression or anxiety. Also, people who exercise more are more likely to problem solve without giving up. When people are active, they are often more confident in themselves. They have a higher self-esteem, better decision making, and they are more resilient. Social cohesion and inclusion means how well you tend to get on with others and how you develop relationships which affect you later in life. There are 4 elements in inclusion, and physical activity provides everyone with a shared goal that creates the feeling of being valuable to others. The first is spatial, which is closing the gaps between different social and economic status. The second is relational, which is feeling accepted and belonging. The next is functional, which improves knowledge, skills, and understanding. The last is power, which is feeling more in control or empowered. Crime reduction and other benefits is an important reason behind the increase in sport participation. Physical activity gives people something to do in their spare time, which promotes positive mindsets, which can influence people's choices. This means that people are less likely to resort to crime. Some of the other benefits include being more intellectual. This is the ability to learn and reason. Their capacity for knowledge and their ability to think outside the box. Another benefit is that they might be more ethical, meaning that they know more right from wrong. their morals and their principles and standards. This is usually learnt through rules and regulations of sport. However, coaches have an impact on this because some coaches are all about giving everyone fair game time, while other coaches just want to win. The last benefit is aesthetic, which means that the way they look at that something looks. Weight management and having healthy bones and a good posture. That's the end of my PE and childcare assignment 2 on benefits of physical activity. Thank you.